Good morning, students. Today we will see the poem Oh, I Wish I Had Looked After My Teeth. This poem is written by Palm Iris. First, I will read out the poem to you and then I will give you a short summary of the poem. Oh, I wish I had looked after me teeth and spotted the perils beneath all the toffees I chewed and the sweet sticky food. Oh, I wish I had looked after me teeth. I wish I had been that much more willing when I had more tooth there than filling to pass up gobstoppers from respect to me choppers and to buy something else with me shilling. When I think of the lollies I licked and the licorice all sorts I picked, sherbet dabs, big and little, all that hard peanut brittle, my conscience gets horribly pricked. My mother, she told me no end. If you got a tooth, you got a friend. I was young then and careless. My toothbrush was hairless. I never had much time to spend. Oh, I showed them the toothpaste all right. I flashed it about late at night. But up and down brushing and poking and fussing didn't seem worth the time I could bite. If I had known I was paving the way to cavities, caps and decay, the murder of fillings, injections and drillings, I would have thrown all me sherbet away. So I lay in the old dentist's chair and I gauge up his nose in despair, and his drill it do whine in these molars of mine. To amalgam, he will say, for in there. How I laughed at my mother's false teeth as they foamed in the waters beneath. But now comes the reckoning. It's me they are beckoning. Oh, I wish I had looked after me teeth. Now let us see the short summary of the poem. The poem begins with a regret from the poet who wishes that she had cared for her teeth in childhood when she had been eating too many toffees and sweet sticky food. She was too careless and never listened to the instructions of her mother. She was too tempted by candies, lollies, sherbets and other sticky sweets. Her mother cautioned her time and again that a tooth is like a friend and it should be looked after well. But the poet could not resist sweets. She tried to brush with up and down strokes, put lot of toothpaste on her teeth, but the damage was already done. Decay had given way to cavities and eventually to drillings and fillings. Now, during adulthood, the poet regrets, but nothing can change the condition of her teeth. Painful injections and visits to the dentist have become her routine. The poet feels so miserable and guilty over how she used to mock at her mother's ugly and false teeth. Now her condition is not different. Hope you have understood this poem. Thank you very much for watching this video.